Last class we have learnt about electric field inside a metal plate is zero, and what is the electric field on the surface of a metal sheet, uniformly charged plane sheet. What is the electric field? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Do you remember or not, friends? On a plain metal sheet, let you have taken a plain metal sheet, right? What is the charge? That you have given some sigma. Sigma means what? Q by area, right? Yes or no? What is the electric field on the surface? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Yes or no? That is means Q by 2 into area A epsilon naught. Are you getting, students, on? This is the electric field. Yes or no? Students? Do you remember? Electric field due to a plane sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving you an example. Let we're having 3 plates, right? Last class I had also done a question on 2 plates. Just remember that and once again understand this. Let I have taken 3 plates. How many plates I have taken? 3 plates, right? Let to this plate I have given minus Q charge. To this plate I have taken 3Q charge, and to this plate I have given Q charge. All understood how many charge I am giving to all plates? Getting or not? Students?
Yes, sir.
So let these are the side. This is side 1, this is side 2, this is side 3, this is side 4, this is side 5, this is side 6, right? So how much charge you will be giving? You know, in the last class we have learned, if I'm giving minus Q, then minus Q by 2 and minus Q by 2. But let due to the there are the presence of other plates also, 3Q and Q, right? Getting now, students? So on the surface charge, we want to find that I just expect to find charge on the surface too, right? So just see, let charge on surface 2 is X. Surface 2, you are able to see which one? Yes or no? This plate, right? The blue one, this is the surface 2, right? On this side, let the charge is X. Getting or not, students? So how much charge will be on this side? If I've given minus Q, then this side there is a charge of X. So this is minus Q minus X. Yes or no? Up to this all got? Students? Got or not?
Yes, sir.
So on the for conservation of charge, we can see if minus Q minus X plus X, that is minus Q. Yes or no? So charge is conserved or not? One thing. That's inside a plate, resultant field plate मैंने एक यहाँ पर point लिया. So let's say I took a point here. I'm going to point nearly 80p, right? So resultant field at P is 0, right? Right? Resultant field at P is equal to 0. That means electric field at P is going to be 0. Getting or not? Students? And what is the electric field at P? That is equal to, if I'll consider the left side, then minus Q minus X divided by 2 epsilon naught. This is the formula we just now I told you, right? Q by 2 epsilon naught. Yes or no? 2a epsilon naught. So here how much charge you have given? Minus Q minus X, 2 epsilon naught. That should be equal to, because net side should be equal to, left side and right side should always be equal, so that the net will be cancelled out. And on the right side, how much is on the left side? That is going to be how much? That is X charge. This is plus 3Q charge and this is plus Q charge. So student, the net charge is going to be how much? X plus 3Q plus Q by 2 epsilon naught. Are you getting, students? Students, due to this own plate, that is minus Q minus X, and due to the other also, that has to be same, right? So that net will be cancelled out. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
3Q and Q. Monosuni getting? So this is
Yes,
2
sir.
epsilon naught A, 2 epsilon naught A cancelled out. So you can write here minus Q minus x is going to be x plus 3q plus q, right? So here you solve for x. 2x is going to be how much? See, 5q. 2x is going to be minus 5q. So x is going to be minus 5q by 2. Understood all? If on the point surface 2 or any plane given like this sequence, you can find the charge. Students, you can find or not?
Yes, sir.
Students, always remember that the charges on the facing surface of the place are equal and opposite, equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. And this can also be proved by Gauss theorem. So here you can see the final result because you got the place of xq, right? Students, total you have given how much? 3q minus q minus q, 3q. Total charge is how much, students? Say me here. Total charge is how much? 3q plus q minus q. 4q or not? 4q or not? So that 4q will be divided how? Just see here again, very important thing. So this is 4q. So 4q will be divided here how much? 3 plus 4. 3 plus q, 4q, 4q minus q, that is 3q. So that 3q will be divided here. On this side, there will be 3q by t. Understood? And this side also, right side, it will be 3q by 2. Got or not, students? Got or not? And student, on the right side of this x value, how much you got for x value? Minus 5q by x, correct? Minus 5q by 2. So if this is minus 5q by 2, so this side it is going to be how much? Plus 5q by 2. Manaswini, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
And how much charge left? This is 3q, this is q, right? So how much charge will be on this side and how much charge will be on this side? You can derive this one. This is going to be q by 2 because this is q na. If this is q, this side you are going to how much? Minus q by 2 you are going to get. And this side it is going to be plus q by 2. All got?
Yes, sir.
So finally you can see the charge distribution on which side, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many surfaces will be given. You can find the electric field at any point, right? What is the charge distribution? The final charge distribution on every surface you can find, students. Also understood this example? Just see once again the example, right? Then let's go for another question of this type. You can see another question, just write. Just write the another question. See here, one concept, right? There is an isolated conducting sheet, right? There is an isolated conducting sheet. You can see of area A, okay? और जिसमें कितना करंट वो कैरी कर रहा है, carrying a current of charge Q, carrying a charge of Q, and I have placed that one in electric field E, right? The electric field area रखा है इस plate को, such that the electric field is perpendicular to the sheet and covers all the sheet, right? Then the charge appearing on its two surface can be obtained. How to find the charge appeared on that, right? Let's see. Students, let's imagine that on the left side, right? So it means in the question it is given like this, you can make it like this, no problem. This is a seat, right? Let on the left side there will be charge q, right? बुझ पड़छो मनकर लेफ्ट साइड रे चार्ज q अछि, टोटल चार्ज मुताओ केते छि q, तल राइट साइड रे केते चार्ज रहइबो रे पिले q - x ना, ए पर्यंत बुझेला समस्त को, बुझेला कि नहीं पिले? Inside later inside electric field केते मु कहली मनकर p पॉइंट ने आइ छि, inside the plate electric field केते net 0, right? होना ना जब हम आगे क्वेश्चन टा करले तल जदि मु लेखु छि टी p is equal to 0, right? Inside देखो एपट को एक्चुअली कोन हुए, एपट को किछि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आसे, एपट को भी किछि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आसे, कारण जेते ठीक गोटे मु प्लस गोटे चार्ज शीट मु नेलेनी पिले एटी q दउछि, एपट किछि चार्ज लाडी जो पॉजिटिव, तल याडे कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रहबो, याडे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रहबो, और नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 हबो, सो दैट ओरिजिनल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिस्टॉर्ट हबोनी, राइट? अच्छा, ep is equal to 0 ड्यू टू द कंडक्टर, कंडक्टर ऊपर जेते चार्ज अछि। अच्छा, ताले यदि ep is equal to 0, ep टा केते पिले? ep टा केते लेफ्ट साइड रे केते, लेफ्ट साइड प्लेट रे केते x by 2a into epsilon naught होना ना पिले, बुझियो छी, प्लस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अछि a, e अछि, जोटा कि हम देइछन ओरिजिनल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड that will be equal to केते राइट साइड रे केते अछि चार्ज q minus x by 2a epsilon naught बुझी पालो ना पहले नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बैलेंस करछि केमती बुझ पालो कि नै रे ताले x by 2a epsilon naught जोटा कि प्लेन शीट रो सुब्रत बुझी होछि that is q minus x by 2a epsilon naught minus e सेपटू पळेल राइट हो कि ना ताले जदी x बाहर करी पले 2 epsilon ने सेपटे मल्टीप्लाई कर देले खाली केते हे जो देखलो 2a epsilon को नेकी मु सेपटे मल्टीप्लाई करी ताले मल्टीप्लाई कर देले 2 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कली तळे मल्टीप्लाई कली 2a epsilon टा कटि गला राइट बुझी पड़छो ना नहीं ताले x इज इक्वल टू केते हे जो पले q by 2 minus e a epsilon naught लिखि हमरा नहीं ताले q minus x is equal to केते हिजबो q by 2 plus e a epsilon naught कारण x टा केते नै x टा पिले एटी q by 2 थला q by 2 रहला एबे जो e a epsilon naught रहला x जगह केते x केते पकी परिबो x is equal to एते बाहरी गला ऑलरेडी हम एटी देखि चंदी x आउ सेपटे केते अछि q minus x बुझी पड़छो ना नहीं पिले सॉल्व कर लीटा 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर ली सेपटे q नेली पुनी q जगह केते x जगह केते पकी परिबी q minus x पकी परिबी कि नहीं रे जोटा में x पकी चंदी एपटे q minus x रे मिसे देले q राइट ताले गोटे पट साइड रे चार्ज केते बाहरी गला पिले q by 2 q minus x is equal to q by 2 plus 2 plus epsilon naught but x is equal to केते बाहरी गला गोटे पट साइड रे q by 2 minus a epsilon naught आर पट साइड टा केते थला q minus x करले एते बाहरी गला बुझी परना पिले दी पट साइड रे केते चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हबो बुझ परले कि नहीं रे ता माने जदी एटा में प्लेट नै थिले टोटल ताको q चार्ज दिया हेची एपटे जदी x चार्ज रहला एपटे केते चार्ज q minus x एटा बुझी गला एटा मजी पॉइंट राइट एपटे को जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आछी गोटे नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमरटा थिला प्लस एई जो q minus x जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आछी एटा केते बनेले x plus 2 epsilon naught आ सेटा सेम डायरेक्शन अछि हम मिस सेते राइट एपटे साइड को इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड केते हला पिले ना q minus x by 2 epsilon naught बुझी पड़छो ना देखले हमें चल गोटे पट साइड रे जो पट हम x नै लेके बाहर लाइती बाहर लागी नहीं दैट इज केते ए जो वैल्यू केते बाहर ला प्लेट सॉल्व करके x वैल्यू हम केते काढले q by 2 minus e a epsilon naught राइट एपट सेमति केते गेला पिले ना q by 2 plus e a epsilon naught एपट माइनस एपट प्लस तले फाइनली एत्ते की मैग्नीट्यूड रो चार्ज भरला लेफ्ट साइड रे और राइट साइड रे बुझी पड़छो ना पिले एकु जदि मु सॉल्व करिबी तल q is equal to 0 पुट करिबी ऊपर जो आंसर टा पाइछि राइट तल मु देख परिबी जे केमते कोन सेटा होछि बुझी पालो रे प्ले जिंसडा अच्छा एबे यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज स्फेरिकल सेल रो माने अछि व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज स्फेरिकल सेल प्ले लेको नेक्स्ट यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज spherical cell uniformly charged spherical cell uniformly charged spherical cell right heading दियो spherical sphere माने कोन आसीबो सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी आसीबो ना दैट इज टोटल चार्ज बाय जते रेडियस अछि माने कर एरिया माने 4 पाई r स्क्वायर नेबी हो ना ना स्फीयर एरिया केते करे 4 पाई r स्क्वायर ना पिले गोटे मन कर स्फीयर अछि राइट इट्स रेडियस इज r रेडियस केते पिले r ताको मन कर मु q चार्ज देछि बुझी पड़छो कि नै रे कैपिटल q दे दियो सुविधा हो तो जानिया ओ जगह रे बहिरे कैपिटल q यूज होता है किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं जो q यूज करले भी कैपिटल q मु याको कैपिटल q रो चार्ज दे देछि यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड तले सब बॉडी यूनिफॉर्म से q टा पूरा थ्रू आउट द सरफेस डिवाइड हे जिवो राइट होना ना सब केस गुडा मने अछि ना बोले मनकर गोटे पॉइंट नेली आउटसाइड गोटे पी पॉइंट नेली मनकर सेटा r डिस्टेंस रे अछि राइट आ या रेडियस तार अछि इनसाइड आउटसाइड सब काढिबा राइट हो कि ना पिले तीनटा डिफरेंट पोजीशन ला में देखिबा गोटे इनसाइड लेस देन r गोटे ग्रेटर देन r गोटे इक्वल टू r राइट तो गोटे 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 पिले देखो केस 1 लिखो जस्ट राइट केस 1 for outside point right for outside point there is r is greater than r correct that is equal to e naught is equal to kete jotle q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square right kemti hoba direction ta pile radially outwards as pile vector formula likhi kemti likhi e naught is equal to k q divided by r q into r vector right vectorial pile eta and electric potential ta be kata dekh diyo and electric potential outside v naught is equal to kete q by already capacitor re padi che jinso ta 4 pi epsilon naught into r padi che ki nai de potential vector form re electric field normal electric field jim to calculate kare tum diya right mane it kemti pile eta behave kare like charge spherical cell behaves as if whole charge is concentrated at the center of the cell seta bhabi ki hum chalchun right so it point likh paro a charged spherical cell behaves as if whole charge is concentrated at the center of the cell. It's concentrated at the center of cell. Right. Then play case 2 for just outside the surface, right? Means on the surface. Just outside one r is equal to r, right? For just outside the surface. R is equal to r, right? Then play surface रे केते हे जीवो S is equal to q by लिख परिबो 4 pi epsilon naught r square, right? That is kete play sigma by epsilon naught, right? And that is maximum, right? That is maximum and is radially outwards and radially outwards. Surface रे potential kete pile na q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r, that is sigma r by epsilon naught, potential time maximum. એટલે પ્લસ ક્યુ ચાર્જ ଦେଇଛି ନେଗେଟିଭ କ୍ୟୁ ଚାର୍ଜ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଚାର୍ଜ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ପିଲେ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ଯଦି ବେଳେ ବେଳେ क्वेश्चन ରେ କଣ କରିଥାଏ ସିଏ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଚାର୍ଜ ଦେଇଥାଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ଫର ନେଗେଟିଭ ଚାର୍ଜ ମାଇନସ କ୍ୟୁ ରାଇଟ୍ ES ଟା କଣ ଏଟା ରେडिଆଲି ଆଉଟୱାର୍ଡ ଥିଲା ଏଠି କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ରେडिଆଲି ଇନୱାର୍ଡ ହେଇଯିବ ନା 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 that is sigma by epsilon naught, that is maximum also and radially inward and radially inwards, right? Then potential kete jo pile kal negative del pake do minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r, that is equal to minus sigma r by epsilon naught, right? And sigma pokele area ta divide kar debi na r square gote r multiply kari gote r divide kari, right? And that is minimum. Potential ta negative he gala minimum he, right? Next right play case 3. Case 3 mane for inside point, right? For inside point. Le mon put net electric field inside the point is 0. induced au ye surface by net ta cancel out hichi. So you draw a students any point inside the cell you draw Gaussian sphere, the charge is enclosed to zero kon sabu charge surface re distribute hichi na, right? So E inside is equal to 0. So V inside is equal to Vs surface re jaha sita asibo, that is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R, that is sigma R by epsilon naught, and that is maximum, right? So V in is equal to Vs is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R, is a negative charge delipile, that is minus sigma R by epsilon naught, right? And here that is negative mane kete jo potential ta, it is minimum for negative charge, right? Minimum for negative charge. One row na nai pile eta la surface re kete tar formula electric field potential ro formula, right? It a negative charge by expression ta, correct? It is simply pile surface by negative charge by potential expression tapre ebe am kon nele point inside re electric field kete 0, potential inside kete hibo 0 hoboni pile, potential exist karibo right here. यदि ग्राफिकली से ग्राफ पहले यदि हम ड्रा करिए बहुत सारे चारिटा ऑप्शन पड़े था ग्राफ रे देखिबे पॉजिटिव चार्ज पे गोटे थाए नेगेटिव चार्ज पे गोटे थाए तीनटा जाक मु गोटे जगह देखि दउची माने E वर्सेस R जदि पचारथि होची यूनिफॉर्म रो E वर्सेस R पचारथि राइट सेल्फली इनवर्सली रिलेटेड देखो तमे एपट मु नेछि E इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड राइट गोटे पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट रो कमी कमी जीवो केमती E proportional to 1 by R square, correct? But R means distance. Simply, it is a surface maximum, right? There is 0 electric field. But simply, the negative charge right? E proportional to 1 by R square. It is for positive charge, right side. For negative charge. Tani parcho nahi re? Potential V versus R, right? What potential ta maximum, what potential ta minimum. Dekh diyo graph ta. So straight line nahi gale potential, what distance R, what potential V, what V, right? Potential kono 0 honi center exist korchi constant. Ta pare radius to surface to kamuchi. Then a point repile, that is V in is equal to V surface is equal to V maximum. A positive charge by, right? Positive charge by directly. In 1 by R so related. It is R pile. R is equal to R on the surface. Negative charge by just same way. Right? It is surface negative by V in is equal to V is equal to minimum. Put set for negative charge. जानी पहला ना पहले 1 minute just draw करो